What up, true fam? This is Phon-Er. This is vlog 208. We're at Coffee Bean right here in Las Vegas Village, right there, as you can see. And we just got a call from my buddy who drives for Uber and also does Test Grab It. So during his Test Grab It handy job, he dropped his phone. Actually, it wasn't even his phone. It was his girlfriend's phone that she had forgotten in his car, and he didn't realize it was hers. He just took it out, saying, "Hey, this is not my phone," and then right there and then it just dropped right on the floor on the asphalt, so it just cracked. And as you can see, I mean, it's not a bad crack. You just think, but what really happened was the phone just literally lifted off from the drop. I think it's also the battery. So we're gonna find out right now once we open the hood. So we'll see you guys back with the repair, and stay tuned. And thank you for watching, and we'll be right back.